Remember me? Most of you might not, and that's okay. But for someone who has seen me grow, loves me unconditionally, knows my strengths, weaknesses, pet peeves, this is a 20-year relationship with my grandmother. And my heart sinks every single time she forgets who I am. And that's not okay. It's all a matter of time, isn't it? Every 3 seconds, a new case of dementia is being diagnosed. And this means a total of 60 new dementia cases by the end of my 3-minute thesis. Dementia, an epidemic of forgetfulness which has affected over 50 million people worldwide. This number is expected to multiply several folds in just a span of few years due to a rapidly aging population. In fact, Asia as a single continent is going to be home to more than half of the global elderly population by 2030. And this means increasing healthcare and socioeconomic burden due to dementia cases. My thesis thus focuses on vascular dementia, the main cause of dementia in Asia. It's a progressive disease led by reduced blood flow to the brain. While we do not know how exactly vascular dementia occurs, we do know that it has a very rapid disease progression, which explains the high mortality rate of over 60%. What we also know is that the environment in the form of stress, diet, lifestyle all play a key role in increasing the risk of vascular dementia. For instance, in a case of identical twins with the same genetic material, one developed dementia while the other did not. And the difference was that one was working in a chemical factory while the other in an office setting. Now, this is when I got a clue that studying the interaction between gene and environment could perhaps help explain the underlying mechanism of vascular dementia. I also wanted to see whether altering the environment by simply restricting the duration of food intake could help prevent the incidence of vascular dementia. This is the direction I took for my PhD, to firstly look at how the landscape of gene-environment interaction changes in a mouse model of vascular dementia, and secondly, whether intermittent fasting, where one fasts for a certain period of time every day, could help prevent vascular dementia. Based on my preliminary results, intermittent fasting seems to significantly dampen the changes that are observed in the diseased state. While there's much more work to be done for this study, it holds immense potential. What you just heard is about me and my grandmother. But this could be you and your grandmother, your uncle, your very own father. It's all a matter of time, isn't it? So I hope, and I'll continue to dream, that my PhD will help change the answer to a resounding yes the next time we ask our loved ones, remember me?